Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to track your eBay orders. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to the section My eBay at the bottom side of the screen and then select Purchases. Unfortunately, as you can see, I don't have any purchases and I can't show you on practice, but if you will listen to my instructions, I'm convinced that you can accomplish this. So after you opened your purchases, you need to find the order that you want to track, and when you found it, you just need to simply tap on it to view the details of your order. So if the seller has provided tracking information, you will see a tracking number and a button called Track It. When you tap Track It button, you will see the tracking details and you can follow your package's journey, let's say. And also eBay will send you notifications if there are any updates to your order, including shipping and delivery status. Your messages you can see in this notifications category at the bottom side of your screen, and here you should filter this buying. And here you will see any notifications regarding your purchase. And again, in the order details, so when you review the details of your item, you will also find the estimated delivery time. This lets you know when your item is expected to arrive. But if there's a case where there is no tracking information or you need some assistance, then you need to tap Contact Seller button to reach out for help, and you can there message the seller and ask some questions about your shipping of your order. So yeah, that's basically how you can track your eBay order on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.